Hello, Gretens. Let's try this question. Determine the coordinates of C and D. You're given h of x and k of x, okay? The h of x is the parabola. The k of x is a straight line graph. So point C is the point of intersection of the two graphs. Also, point D is the point of intersection of these two graphs, okay? So now, whenever they say you need to determine the coordinate of C and D, you just have to equate the two graphs. H of x, it is equals to k of x. So if there is h of x, you replace it by what? By negative x squared plus 4. So it's negative x squared plus 4, which is equals to, for k of x, it's x plus 2. X plus 2. So now you can solve for x, okay? So I will take these two terms here, or these two values to the other side. So this will be minus x squared plus 4. X is positive, so whenever it moves to the other side here, it will be negative x, negative 2, which is equal to 0. So now you look at the like terms. Your like terms is 4 and negative 2. So this negative x squared minus x, and then positive 4 minus 2 is positive 2, which is equal to 0. You subtract the 2 from 4, and then you take the sign of a bigger number, which is 4. Therefore, the sign of this 4 is positive. That's why I wrote positive here. So you need to get rid of this negative because you are solving for x, okay? So you're going to divide both sides, each term actually. You're going to divide each term by negative 1. Negative 1. Negative 1. So here, negative divided by negative is positive. So you're going to have x squared plus x minus 2, which is equal to 0. So this is a trinomial. Use difference of 2 squares equals to 0. So this will be x, this will be x as well. So the factors of 2 here, it's 1 and 2. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. So this will be 1 and this will be 2. But the bigger factor, take the sign of a middle term. So this will be positive and this will be minus. Negative times positive is negative. So our x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x plus 2, it is equal to 0. So our x, it is equal to 1, or our x, it is equal to negative 2. So point C, it's along negative x axis, but our point D here, it lies here, the first quadrant. So the first quadrant is positive and positive. It means the x value here is positive, but the x value here is negative. So C will be negative. Let me say C will be negative 2 is 2. Because if you can check here, our point C, it lies along this x axis. So this will be the x-intercept. So whenever we have x-intercept, it means our y value is 0. So this will be 0. There is no need for us to substitute negative 2 in these equations. Okay. So point D, we're saying it's 1 is 2. Y, we do not know the value of y. So you need to determine the value of y. So in this case, you're going to say if if you are using h of x, because we said that h of x, k of x, they are equals to y. It means where there is h of x is y. So let me use h of x. Y it is equals to negative x squared plus 4. Let me replace x by 1. So this will be negative 1 squared plus 4, which is equals to negative 1 plus 4, which is equals to 3. So our y value is 3. You can even check using k of x. It's y is equals to x plus 2. Where there is x, replace it by 1. 1 plus 2, which is equals to 3, as you can see here. So if you want to verify this one, the 0 here, you replace x by negative 2 in this equation or in this equation. So let's check. Y it is equals to negative x squared plus 4. So negative, you replace replace x by negative 2 squared plus 4. Therefore, the answer, if you use a calculator, it will be equals to 0. Same applies to y, it is equals to y is equals to x plus 2. If you replace x by negative 2, negative 2 plus 2, it is equals to 0. So these are your coordinates, point of intersection. Thank you very much. Enjoy, guys. Love you.